Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to learn fast dribbling in football. We'll cover essential techniques to help you become a more dynamic player on the field. First, focus on mastering ball control with both feet, ensuring every touch is precise. Developing quick changes in direction is crucial for evading opponents. We'll also explore drills to improve your reaction time and overall agility, making you a formidable dribbler. Consistent practice is key to seeing significant improvement in your game. Achieving fast dribbling starts with impeccable ball control. Use both the inside and outside of your foot to manipulate the ball, keeping it incredibly close. Imagine keeping the ball within a 1-foot radius of your body at all times. Practice in tight spaces like a small grid to force yourself to make precise, soft touches. This foundational skill ensures the ball is always under your command, ready for your next move. Once you have basic control, it's time to add speed and agility. Set up a series of cones in a zigzag pattern, about 3 to 5 feet apart. Dribble through them, gradually increasing your pace. Focus on quick, short touches that allow you to change direction rapidly. Incorporate sudden stops and explosive starts to simulate game situations. These drills will significantly enhance your ability to accelerate and decelerate with the ball. To truly master fast dribbling, integrate advanced techniques. Practice feints and body swerves to deceive opponents, making them guess your next move. Crucially, learn to dribble with your head up, scanning the field for teammates and open spaces. Once comfortable, introduce passive defenders into your drills to simulate real game pressure. Remember, consistent, dedicated practice, even for just 15 to 20 minutes daily, will yield remarkable results.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.